There's Automotive Control in Bristol. We have a Volkswagen Beetle with us today, which we've been working on. We have removed the original Volkswagen radio, which is failed on the touchscreen on the right hand side, and we have installed the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. Here's the finished installation. Parkinson's beeping. So yeah, we have DAB radio, FM radio, Bluetooth, and then Apple CarPlay, and we've got an Android phone linked at the moment. So this is wired and wireless Android Auto. We've got steering wheel controls that work the radio as well, and we have retained the parking sensors on the front and the rear, and they will now display on the new KENWOOD. We've also got our heater, climate control retained on the Volkswagen, on the KENWOOD radio. It's the same as the Volkswagen setup, and this has all been installed by Automotive Control in Bristol, and this particular unit comes with a 3-year warranty, as we are KENWOOD Pro installers. Thank you very much for watching.